Hi, in this video I will address the issues with downloading multiple Fortnite iKONik skin. So a lot of people ask if they can download multiple iKONik skin on the same device or a different account, or if you reset the device, can you install another iKONik skin or can you redeem another one? The answer is no, you cannot. You can only download one skin per device. So once you redeem it, once you have claimed the iKONik skin, then that's it. You cannot claim anymore. Even after you perform a factory data reset and you download the apps again, you will not be able to be able to get another one. Now the reason being is that because on your device it has a unique ID, and when Fortnite launch, you look for that unique hardware ID, and if it's already it checks against the database, and if that ID has already been claimed, then there is no way you can get another iKONik skin. So unfortunately you can only claim one skin per device, and that's it. Once it is claimed, you can no longer get another one, and that's it. So I hope that saves you time trying to figure it out, trying to reset the device and try to get another skin, because that can take quite a lot of time, resetting the device, testing it out, and just to realize it doesn't work. So yeah, you cannot get it, so don't waste your time. Just use the skin that you already have, that you already claim, and that's good enough. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.